ceremony is about to start. Your Majesties, you may now enter. Welcome sa ating grand reunion. Pasalamat ko niyo tanan nga nag-effort gid ta. Pasalamat sa ta sa katong wala nakaari pero ilang kasing-kasing naagyapon din nato. Nya sit back, relax and let's enjoy the night.
All of you who are here today, thank you so much for being part of this memorable and historic milestone. To the working committee, table number 1, the people behind the scene who work hard to make this happen. Despite your busy schedule, you still manage to find time to attend meetings and tirelessly do tasks assigned to you.
For our success, prosperity, happiness, and peace of mind, I would like to make a toast. Cheers!
There is no better day to renew our friendship with each other than today, as we celebrate our 42nd year anniversary of our high school graduation. Don't forget, we're friends then, so we can be friends again and forever.
Event will not be realized without your support. Batchmates, I appreciate and I'm very grateful to you guys. When I say good night, it doesn't mean na manguli na ta. What I mean for tonight, good night. This is the start of the show.